everyone! If you've ever watched a game of squash and thought, wow, that looks intense, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the electrifying world of squash, sharing some top-notch tips, tricks, and techniques that will elevate your game from beginner to pro. So, let's get started. First up, mastering the swing. Squash is all about precision and power. To get that killer swing, you need to focus on your grip. Hold your racket with a firm yet relaxed grip. Imagine you're holding a bird, tight enough that it won't fly away, but gentle enough not to hurt it. Next, it's all about the stance. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and always be ready to move. Remember, in squash, your feet are just as important as your hands. Now, let's talk about the serve. The serve in squash can set the tone for the entire rally. Aim for the corners of the service box to make it tricky for your opponent to predict and return effectively. Mix up your serves, high, low, to the left, to the right. Keep your opponent guessing and on their toes. Moving on to strategy, squash isn't just a physical game, it's a mental chess match. Positioning is key. Always try to keep the centre position on the court, controlling the game and making your opponent run the extra mile. And don't forget, sometimes a well-timed soft shot is more deadly than the hardest hit. It's all about outsmarting your opponent. Practice, practice, practice. Like anything in life, the more you play, the better you get. Spend time on the court every day, even if it's just working on your swings or practicing serves. And when you can, play against opponents who are better than you. It's challenging, but it's the fastest way to improve. All right, that's a wrap on our quick guide to stepping up your squash game. Remember, every champion was once a contender who refused to give up. So grab that racket, hit the courts, and start smashing those goals. Catch you next time.